And after our brave soldiers have relentlessly fought the Pakistan-backed terrorists in Keren sector for 15 straight days, the Indian side has successfully flushed out the infiltrators from the soil. But this time, the army is leaving no stone unturned to counter further infiltration bids. Sources are telling your channel that despite the operation coming to an end, the Indian army is still on high alert to avoid any untoward incident.
The operation to flush out the terrorists near the line of control in the Keren sector may have ended. But the army continues to maintain high alert along the border. While Pakistan's hand in the infiltration bid that lasted 15 days is undeniable.
I commanded 15 corps, the Srinagar-based corps. And with the eyeball-to-eyeball deployment along the line of control, it is well-nigh impossible for the terrorists to do any activity without the knowledge of the Pakistani army. It's very simple. There is no way that these terrorists can operate in that area without the knowledge of the Pakistani army.
The opposition and defense analysts have raised several questions over the army's belated conclusion while questioning India's Pakistan's policy.
Why did it take the army chief 15 long days to link Pakistan with the incursion? In fact, this particular incursion began on September 24th, as you know. But to save Dr. Singh's meeting with Prime Minister Sharif in New York, the government suppressed the news on this incursion. And the first news on this incursion came only after the Singh-Sharif meeting. The fact is that today, India's Pakistan policy has lost all direction. And the reason why this policy is adrift is because we have marginalized the MEA.
Security forces, however, are wary of more such attacks and infiltration attempts.
Kind of indications that are coming, the Pakistan army and Pakistan mentors would try to push in as many people as possible to keep the pot boiling in Kashmir, and I don't see any end to this. During the last 7-8 months after July, when the snows start melting on the mountains, we have had about 20 to 22 odd bids wherein they have tried to push in a large number of militants.
For now, intel inputs suggest more infiltration bids are likely. But it remains to be seen whether the Indian government will talk tough with Islamabad this time around. Bureau Report, Times Now.